Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class we saw the design part. Let's continue our lessons. So now what I'm going to do is here I'm go back to our database. Here database, I'm going to go to the database, my admin. Here I'm going to create a new database. Here I just create the database as sales, right, create. Here I'm going to create the database as records. I give the name as records, right. We have only 4 fields, right, enough. Right. First one should be ID. First field should be ID with auto incremented. After that we need a product name, voucher, price, right. We no need this field. Okay, we need only price, product name and price. We no need this field. Let's say, right, your table has been created successfully. Your database name is sales, your table name is records, right. Now let's go to the project. Here index.php. now we complete the design. Now here I'm going to write the script, jQuery part, right. Start with script, open and close the script. Here we have to write this. Here this complete one, Control X to cut off this one. You have to paste above the script. Okay, if you paste it below the script, it won't work, right. This components are not working. Okay, you have to paste above here. Okay, after that you have to write the code, right. Here we have the first, I'm going to write the first one is here. First we have to create the function get product code, right, like this. Get product code we have to write. Here we have to write is open bracket, close curly bracket. Here inside the function I'm going to first, we have to, when the person enter the barcode here, so this is the barcode ID, so Control C to copy this ID. So here what I'm going to write is, here you have to write $, write like this. You have to paste the barcode which you copied above, product code here dot empty. First you have to empty, right. After that we have the same thing, you have to copy right here dot key up, this one, select as key up function e, right. Here we have to write it here is what you are going to write here is, you have to write here close tab, close it here, right. Now here what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to create the var q equal var, this is a variable q. After that this one you have to copy, paste it here dot well. What that says here, when the person enter the code here, product code, it is saved the variable this q, right. Now here I'm going to, after that you have to write a AJAX function, AJAX, close it. You have to write like this. This is the way you have to write the AJAX function. Here we have to write, right. Here we have to write the code. First we have to type post URL get product .php. After that data type JSON. after data you have to write as a product code, you have to write like this. Right. Now here I'm going to write a success function, AJAX success function. Data. Right. This is simple AJAX code. When the person enter the barcode, we don't need this one. When the person enter the product code on this text box, the key up, so it is assigned to the variable product code. This variable go to this relevant page and search the product ID, and the information should be, the relevant information should be displayed on the success function here. Right. Now let's copy this function, select this folder, right click, file, here we have to paste it, we have to create the page, this page we have to create it. It's very simple. First we have to create another page. We don't need this one, only one page, so we have to write like this, PHP. Right. First we have to write the database connection. First we have to write $server localhost. After that, username equal root, password equal blank. After that, DB name equal, we have to write what is the database we have created, we have to give the name. Here create the database as sales. Right, the stuff you have to write. After that we have to connection variable new MySQLi. Right, we have to check these variables, username comma password DB name, check. Right, now here we have to write if connection connect error, you have to write die connection failed. Right, this one connection error, you have to write like this. Right, after that, after connection is success, we have to write this code here, and we have to write a statement, variable statement equal, you have to write the connection prepare statement. Right, here we have to write the code. So select ID comma product, what are the columns available, product name price. Right, we have to write we have another column I forgot to return here, that is a product code I forgot to return. So what I'm going to do is here, if you want to do any modification, this way the columns here after the ID go, this after the ID I'm going to create product code. This one should be, we have to create as varchar. I'm going to create as varchar, save. Right, simple. Now what I'm going to do is here, if you, this is a table, sales table, here this is a table, sales, here a code, here product code. Right, now let's, here we have to add the product code, what are the fields available, product code, product name, price. Right, these are the fields available. Now what I'm going to select, this field, and from which table, records the table name. Records, table name is records, right? Records where, sorry, records where product code, this product code equal question mark, right? This is the code we have to write. After that, what I'm going to do is here, we have to write the product code. We have to retrieving the product code, so we have to write the variable product PR code equal post retrieve the product code. Right here. So what is the product code here? We have to, this one, this ID, we have to put it here, right? That's the top. After that, what I'm going to hit the same the statement. We have to write a bind param, this one. Now here we have to write as a yes, this we have to equal, right? What is the product code coming here? It is passing the variable this variable is equal to here, this is going to here, right? It is checked, right? After that, the data we have to pass it. The relevant data should be displayed here. So bind result, right here we have to pass the relevant data. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This here we have to write, make it as this. All the stuff is a variable, right? Perfect. After that, we have to write simply, we have to write if the statement, right, execute. So the execute function. So you have to write as a while. So write a statement, while statement, statement fetch, write as a output, array. So write as array. Here we have to pass the JSON values. ID equal, write as a this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, that's the stuff you have to write. After that, we have to write this one. Same thing, product code as well. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here the product name, comma, here price, right? That stuff we have to write. Simple, right? These are the value we have to get it here. In the success function, we have to get in the value for the things. So what, how to get it, this one is, so we have to write this, call this one dot val, the val. So this is not a product code, product name, this one, this text box, the relevant details should be display the product name here in success function. When you enter the product code, relevant product name will be display, product name. Here we have to write as a well data. Here we have to write as a like this dot product name, product name. What is the data we have to pass? This product name. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Right. Now the same thing you have to copy, paste it here. This one should be price, this one should be price, right. After that, cursor should be display on the quantity text box, quantity, right, dot focus. That's the thing we have to write. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Not this, our this is our one. You have to enter the product. We didn't add the sales records here. Go to the insert. I'm going to add the record sum. This is the auto number, right? 1212. Product name is, you have to LG TV. Price like this. This is the product 1313 Sony mobile. Price is right like this. Go, right, data is added. Now let's check. 131212. Why it's not displaying? Unaccepted error line, this line. Alright, the error is here. Here I have another problem. Here we need a bracket here, right. After that, quantity we need double, inside the double quotation mark we have to write like this here. After that, here I forgot to write one thing here. Echo this output we have to send into index.php page. So we have to write JSON encode. Inside this bracket we have to call this array variable, right. That's what of we have to write. After that, come to this function, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right. We have to call the function, right. When the form is loaded, this function get called. Now what I am going to do is here. Now let's check the query, right. Refresh it. Now let's, this barcode we have to check. This barcode we check whether it's working fine or not. 1112, right, it's successfully working. Here it's focused on the quantity text box. If you give the quantity, it's calculate and display the price. Here we have to enter the different product, right, it displays successfully, right. Here, right. Now here the quantity text box cursor will be focused, so that I have give here quantity focus. After that I am going to calculate the price and quantity. So I am going to write the function. You have to write like this. You have to remove this stuff. So you have to open and you have to close the function. Now here inside the function I am going to, simple code I am going to copy and paste here. If I write this one, it take too much time to complete the video. It's so boring, so that I just copy and paste this one. Simple line you have to write it here. Price and quantity I am going to calculate this one. Price and quantity, these two text boxes we have to calculate it. Here the keys, key down, key up, click, right. Quantity, the same name we have to create the function inside this function. Here we have to sum. Inside the sum I am going to write as a price multiply here quantity, right. After that it will be calculated and display the total at this total text box. This total text box we have to provide the name, this total text box, right. It's calculate and display here. That's the thing we have to telling here, right. That's the thing we have to telling here. Now what I am going to do is here, simple code we have to write, right. Now let's remove the line, right. Control S to save. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not, right. Here simple display. Now it's asking to enter the quantity. If you click 2 here, it will be calculated 1. If it is 10, here it will be calculating successfully, right. It's calculating successfully, right. Now after that what I am going to do is here I am going to calculate this stuff, table stuff. So that things we will do in my next tutorial. I hope you guys you understood so far. In my next tutorial I will be teaching the how to calculate the tables, right?